Hey guys, hello, good morning, good afternoon. I'm so sorry for my English. If my English is not good, if my accent is not good, I just wanna give you some advices, some ways to find out if you have a misfiring and to avoid overpaying like don't because let me start that way. If you have a misfiring code, so the misfiring code is P0300 something. So like a P0300, this is mean you have a lot of misfiring, like more than two, no, like more than one. So two misfiring, that means if you have a two misfiring in your engine, your scan tool will give you three codes. So you will have a P0300, so random misfiring code. You will have two other codes depending of which cylinder is misfiring. So if you have a P0301, that means your cylinder number one is misfiring. So when we said cylinder number one is misfiring, what that mean? That means three things could happen. So maybe the spark plug is bad, or maybe the coil is bad, or maybe the wires is bad. So if you have a four misfiring, you don't have to buy four spark plugs, four wires, and four coils. It's too much expensive, especially Mercedes people. Like I got one customer because I'm fixing people's cars, like independent mechanic. So one lady called me and she has a misfiring. She has a four codes. So four codes. She has a three misfiring. Okay, three cylinder. Cylinder number three, number one, and number four. Okay, 314. Okay, was a misfiring plus the random code P0300. And later on, she got another code. I think it's P0172. Yes, P0172. Yes, this was the code for the MAX airflow. Okay, mass sensor airflow something. I bought the part, I put inside and great. So because this one I'm doing this video for only for misfiring. If you have a misfiring, you have three things. So I want to go quickly because I want to go faster because you don't have time. So I have one spark plug, I have coils, and I have wires. Okay, this is for those wires are very good. Okay, but I changed the 6 wires for in my 4 tires, and I changed the 6 spark plugs in my thing. But this kind of wires, the coil is together, it's big coil, okay, for the Ford. That's why I didn't change it because it's big and it's a little expensive, and I found out it wasn't the coil. So how you can check how you can figure out if it's spark plugs, coil, or wires. So you need to have this thing. That's it. If you don't have a big let me see, if you don't have OBD2, the biggest one, if you have the smallest one, or maybe the fixed, I will put some link in the bottom for you. The cheapest one, it can give you any code, okay, but it cannot give you the specific thing that's going on. Okay, yes, so you have to figure it out. If you have the code, you have to figure out between those three things what's going on, which thing is not good. So this is your multimeter, okay, your electric multimeter. So to check the spark plugs, the video gonna be a little bit long. I'm so sad for that, okay, but maybe I will do some little videos how check the spark plugs, how check the wires, and how check the coils. Okay, so in this video I want to let you know you need to check between spark plugs, coil, and wires. Between those three to fix your misfiring. It's always those three, I think so. Sometimes it could be the battery too. Yeah, I think so. The battery can create misfiring. I think so. But the common thing, the common thing that could give you those kind of code, misfiring code, the three common things is the three things, okay? Coil, wires, and misfiring. So because I don't want to do a long video, let me cut this video. And if you want to know how to check the spark plug, just check in the bottom. If you want to know how to check the coil, check in the bottom. I will do some videos to show you how to check coil, how to check spark plugs, only with multimeter. The multimeter, 25 bucks. You have I bought this one already, 27 or 28. But there is a very cheapest one, 25. You can have a multimeter. Make sure to have a multimeter with all number on it. It's very easier, okay? Make sure to have a multimeter with all number on it. It's very easy. God bless you and thank you so much. You can do it. Your DIY man. Your DIY man. Please subscribe, give me some likes, and let me grow the channel together. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.